All right, good morning. The SPOOs are trading 1095.50 right here at the R1. Above the pivot, we did trade last night to 1095, which if you drew the high to the low yesterday of 1101.75 down to 1084, the 61.8 for the 2 day is right here at 1095. So we're battling obviously right here. We battled once overnight. If we get over this, we could trade up to 1107. We are above the pivot, so everything right now does look to the upside. Again, the easy trade here was trading this 1095 overnight, back to the pivot, 1090, and then from there you buy the pivot and just keep playing the upside of the pivot until that is either broken or we get up to that 1107 area. But the market does continue to be on an uptrend here as we start the day, 20 minutes in. Real quick, oil 75.86, mess continues down in the Gulf. They say it's total chaos down there in the cleanup and trying to fix. Euro up another 40 pips, 122.93.94, again making a new high here. We've said that we believe that the low is in for at least for the next few months in the euro. The chart is telling us that, and we suggested to our members at 120 that it was a good buy on the pullback there to 120, which was again last Tuesday. So 118.74 is your backsplash, and that's where that is. Gold right now 120, 1224. Just kind of flattening here, not going up or down. Lumber again is bouncing a little bit finally after just getting smashed all the way down to 206, and that 206 was just last Wednesday, Thursday we got down to there, and it rallied to 225. Now it's again, lumber maybe trying to put in a bottom if it can get over and close over 225 per board foot. But again, the 61.8 there on a daily chart is up around 230, so it broke through that, and then I'm talking from 163 up to 337 over the past year. The doubling and the 61.8 line is in the 50 retrace line, or 230 and 250 respectively. So lumber still showing us that housing is in an ugly situation moving forward, so I wouldn't be chasing any of the housing. Natural gas again over $5. We talked about it yesterday. We were buying this just 20 days ago at $4, and it just had a huge 25, 20, 30% move. Natural gas has from the $4 range, 390, 86, all the way up to 51.69, $5.16.90. That's where we are on natural gas. So again, congratulations there. Wheat also, we have been long, and that is moving up nicely from the 440 range. Traded up to 453 yesterday. I think you can continue to ride wheat for quite a bit here. I think you'll at least get up to that 470 area. It's been just hammered for a long time here, for really months, and if it holds this 450, 440 area after making a marginal new low at 425.5, looks like it is going higher. So watch the wheat markets. Again, coffee, we've been talking about 133 was a good buy area. It's now back up to 150, and coffee is on the road, on the ride nicely here after just hanging around that 130, 135 area for months. It broke out the last few days. So coffee also in fuego. Enjoy the ride there. Again, a lot of the commodities are starting to break out. Inflation starting to rear its head. As we suggested in some of these commodities, you'd see a peak up in some of these names. So that's it. Have a great trading morning. Peace. We'll be back at you bright and early tomorrow.